Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tuesday 2-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can split your red, green and blue channels to create this really cool retro effect in Photoshop. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pick a photo. And I would recommend picking a photo that has got a predominantly black background, because that seems to work with this particular effect quite well. And I found this particular photo on pexels.com, and if you'd like to follow along, the link will be in the description. So firstly, what we need to do is create 3 different layers of the same layer. So I'm going to go ahead and press Command J first, and as you can see, we've duplicated it once. And I'm just going to do Command J again, and that will duplicate it, so we've got 3 different layers of the same layer. What we need to do now is to go to the background one. We just need to make sure we've got that layer unlocked. So we've got that background there. We're just going to unlock it using that. Click on that little unlock icon you can see on the right hand side of that layer. Then what you want to do is name them red, green and blue. So the top one I'm going to name red, the next one I'm going to name green, and the last one I'm going to name blue. Now what you want to do is to go into blending options and turn off each one of the layers so you're only showing one colour channel. So we'll go to the red first. What we'll do is we'll double click, and on the very first page you can see there are 3 buttons, one called R, one called G and one called B. These are our red, green and blue channels. So on the red one we just want the red to show. So I'm going to turn off blue and I'm going to turn off green. And really easily, if you've got that preview ticked button, as you can see a thumbnail should represent red. So we'll go ahead and click OK, and we'll do exactly the same for green. So I'm going to double click on the green layer. So we're going to turn off red and we're going to turn off blue. And as you can see, that thumbnail there is represented in green. So that's perfect. So we'll go ahead and click OK on that one. And then the very last one is blue. So we'll double click on there, we'll turn off green and we'll turn off red. And as you can see, that thumbnail is blue. So as you can see, nothing has changed. And that's because all 3 colours create all colours in the spectrum. So what we need to do is actually move them on our canvas to create this really cool effect. We'll go to Edit, and then what we want to do is go to Free Transform, or you can press Command T on your keyboard. And then what you want to do is just drag it over to the right slightly. So as you can see, we've got this really cool effect. So all we need to do is to confirm that, we're just going to click Enter. And we need to make sure to remember to do it to the green one as well. So we're going to go to that green. Again, we're going to press Command T. We'll go up to Edit, Free Transform. And what we're going to do is we're going to move that just like so. So as you can see, we've got our red, green and blue sliders all broken up into different channels. Lovely. And so we'll go ahead and confirm like so. And there we go, guys.